Hey ladies, so I hope you ladies are ready to sweat. So today we're doing a full body workout. So we're going to be toning the butt and the upper body. So let's get ready, grab your dumbbells, let's go. First exercise is a squat and a twist. So you're going to grab 2 dumbbells, you're going to put them up on your shoulders like that. You're going to have your legs a little bit wide, toes pointed out. You're going to squat, and then in the up position, you're going to twist your torso, and you're going to be engaging your core as well as the glutes. Next exercise is going to be a curtsy squat with a hop or a jump. So you're going to put one leg behind you at an angle like that, and then on the way up, you're going to hop, bringing that knee up in the air. This next exercise is a cardio / core move. So this is a little bit challenging, ladies, but just do it as best as you can. If you can't get your knees all the way up, that's fine. Just jump up as high as you can. So while we're taking a 45-second break, I want to tell you ladies about my Facebook group called Keto Fit Queens. And no, you don't have to be keto to join the group, ladies. But in this group, I post tons of workouts. We do Q&As. You get to kind of interact with me a little bit. You can ask your questions. You can post your meals. And you can learn a lot about keto in this group for free. So if you want to join, it's called Keto Fit Queens on Facebook. We have about 3,000 ladies in there. We're getting a really nice crowd in there. So I would love for you guys to join us. Okay, now we're just going to complete that entire first circuit again. This time you already know the workout, so let's give it all you got and really push yourself this time. Get ready.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life.
This next exercise is a backwards lunge with a lateral raise. So for this exercise, you want to use light dumbbells. I would recommend between 5 to 7 pound dumbbells because this exercise is hard if you do it with heavier weights. So you're going to step back one leg at a time in a lunge. In the lunge, you want to make sure that you are balancing through the heels of your feet and the front foot. And on the back foot, you want to be on your toe. You do not want that heel to touch the ground for that back foot.
Feels right, so right, so right, so right. I'm just going with
the next exercise is going to be a single arm shoulder press. So you're just going to grab some dumbbells about 7 to 10 pounds if you're a beginner, and you're going to do 10 shoulder presses on each arm. Make sure you alternate arms.
I don't call them back, girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me whip it up, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. Won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl.
And for the last exercise, we're going to do some of those tuck jumps. Like I said, ladies, if you can't jump that high, that is fine. Just do it as best as you can.
It feels right, it feels right, it feels right.
Ladies, that concludes this workout. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want a really good workout, go ahead and do this entire video one more time. It's really going to help you tone that lower body and that upper body and get those glutes nice and tight. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also comment down below if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.